Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your watch and iPhone are paired and updated. This matters because newer watchOS supports better web handoff and previews. Once done, press the digital crown to open the app's view and scan for the Safari icon. It looks like a blue compass. If you don't see it, use the iPhone. Open Safari, then look for the handoff watch badge or say, "Hey Siri, open Safari on my Apple Watch." This saves time when the app isn't visible. Tap the Safari icon to launch a simplified browser view. You'll often get a recent page or a handoff preview. Use your finger to scroll or rotate the digital crown for finer control. Rotation gives steadier scrolling when content is dense. To follow a link, tap it. To view options like copy or open in iPhone, press firmly or long press if your watch supports it. Also, make sure your watch is online via Wi-Fi or connected iPhone. Because Safari. To finish, return to the watch face by pressing the digital crown or side button. This closes the current Safari view and preserves state for handoff. If a page is too slow or complex, hand it off. Open the iPhone's app switcher and you'll see Safari ready to continue. If pages fail to load, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled and that both devices are updated. Restarting the watch often resolves stubborn connectivity issues. Try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.